Welcome everyone, my name is Bruno, I'm the co-founder of Codiris. This is a first look at it. So over here we've got our workspace, our project name, and then all the phases of product development here, from brainstorm to research, design, build, test, and deploy. I'm going to show you with an example I made for Airbnb what you're capable of creating. So here I started a project, I added my first prompt, and then Codiris asked me some questions so that I could refine my idea and actually brainstorm it with it. Explained everything I needed, and then Codiris went ahead and deconstructed the idea to explain target users, problem, user needs, key features, etc. You can obviously continue to brainstorm as long as you'd like. I had something specific that I wanted Codiris to keep in mind, reconstructs the idea, and then when I'm ready, sends me the structured project plan. This is the brainstorm session. Now we're going to go into the research. So the research over here breaks down your target users, defines your problem, shows you the opportunity, gives you some information about market size, general pain points, does a competitive analysis, and even gives you some revenue opportunities as well. You can go ahead and close this so that we have a little bit more space. And then down here we've got sources. Codiris will always tell you where we got the information. From here we can move on to features. So with all the information from brainstorm and from the market research, Codiris is going to identify the most useful features for your idea. We're going to create some user stories for you as well and assign tasks. You can also see user flows over here and the roadmap. And when you have all this done, we're actually going to go into branding. In branding, we're going to show you which user stories is associated with which page so that you know exactly what is going to be built in your release. Here we selected both of them and we're going to go ahead and approve. Over here, Codiris will create a UI kit for you with colors, typography, and an icon set that we'll be able to use. And all this is done before we start building. So now we've got our brainstorm, we've got our research, we've got our branding, and all of that is going to be sent to our agent who will be able to create what we need. And here we go. Codiris has created the Airbnb website for us and has added the AI feature that we talked about. So here we're going to go ahead and click on it and you can go ahead and type. So I'm looking for a beach house in the south of France for the December holidays. It's going to go ahead and search, break it down for you. Instead of using filters, you can just do your search with natural language. And here we're going to go ahead and click and be able to see more about each state. Here you can go ahead and change the date that you've selected, change the guest, totally up to you. It's fully responsive, and all the additional information that you would see on the Airbnb website. So here we go. That was the first look at Codiris. We can't wait to see what you will build.